So, we've just arrived in Santorini after a wake up at 3:30 in the morning. We've just arrived. It's now 12 o'clock. We're going to have a nice falafel. And then we're going to see the rest of the island. Welcome to Moody Bay. Okay, I'm walking in the hot springs, and kind of at the bottom is like a wet clay. It's a bit soft, it's a bit weird. It feels like slush under my feet, but it feels fantastic. Again, the water's lukewarm. It's still a nice area. You can see the rocks around me. And these are the hot springs of Santorini. Now we could go see the volcano. Okay, that's not how that dive was meant to be. Let's do it again.
Turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby. We're safe and sound. You got me waiting. I'm on fire. You got me waiting. My desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving.
Now we've just arrived to eat some calamari, so let's see what we've got.
Ανεβαίνουμε να δούμε το ακροτήρι. Για να δούμε τι θα δούμε. Θα δούμε κάτι άλλο. Ο άλλος έχει πια στην κορυφή. Wow. Για να δούμε εδώ. Πιο πανοραμική ιδέα. Πάρα πολύ αέρα. Κάτι μας είναι το ακροτήρι.